करेगी हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार, वो भारत के हित में होगा।
Well, viewers, now breaking news coming in at this point in time. What we understand that there has been a bomb threat that has been received at MK Stalin's house in Chennai. And that is a big development coming in, a big breaking news that MK Stalin's house in Chennai has received a bomb threat. We'll try and understand more details on that note, and we'll also try and get my colleague to give us more updates. But that is a big breaking news coming in this morning that MK Stalin's house in Chennai has received a bomb threat. Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is already in Tamil Nadu, and during his visit, this is a big news indeed coming in, news of importance, where MK Stalin's house in Chennai has received a bomb threat. We will try and ascertain more details at this point in time, but understanding the importance of current situation, my colleague Sarda is joining us. Sarda, help us understand the details. We understand at this point in time how there has been a very grievous bomb threat that has been received at MK Stalin's residence.
Well, as we speak, the police are now making sure whether this bomb threat is just a scare or is there any other information based on this. We'll know in a few minutes. The bomb squad is right now searching MK Stalin's house in Alwarpet to make sure that it is the information that the media has received is not true. This is not the first time that the Chief Minister MK Stalin has been receiving a bomb threat. Back in 2022 after taking up his post, and again in 2023 there were 2 bomb threats in his house in Alwarpet. However, now MK Stalin, who was admitted in the hospital in Apollo for gastric trouble and giddiness, is said to have gone also angiogassing to make sure that he has no other issues. While the medical bulletin has already cleared Stalin of any health issues, he is likely to be discharged from the hospital today, and we'll be knowing more information if MK Stalin would be out from the hospital today. And additional to this bomb threat, if there would be a change in his schedule and if he would be changing his address or location of his residence at the moment.
All right, Sarada, appreciate you joining us and giving us all the details. We will be keeping a close track on the developments, whether or not it was a hoax threat. That will be certain in due course of time. But surely moving on now, a chilling case of alleged academic harassment leading to suicide. A final year dental student from Jammu ends her life in Udaipur. Now, her note points fingers at the college staff for mental torture and extortion. The family demands justice at this point.
माता जी, आपसे उनकी बात होती थी इस बारे में?
हाँ, होती थी, बोलती थी, वो सब बोलती थी, तंग करते हैं, वो पैसे मांगते हैं, वो बोलती थी, दिए भी है हमने, बहुत बार दिए भी है। इस बार घर आई थी, बोलती थी मम्मी जब तक पेपर नहीं लेके मैं नहीं जाऊंगी।